Hello guys, today we are going to see length count using MapReduce problem. So we have a problem statement here. Use MapReduce to count the number of words of each length in text. So for example, our output is like this. So understanding the problem statement is very important here. So we have to find out the words in the given text file, word with length 1, how many numbers are there, like uh, word with length 2. So how many numbers are there with length 2? How many numbers with length 3? So likewise we have to find. So I have created a sample data file input.txt. Here I have given some random data. Here we have given some random data. We have to find out. Likewise, this is a 4 length 4 word. So how many length 4 words? Length 3, length 2. So likewise we have to find. So I have noted down all the steps here. You can get this Google Doc in the link in below description. Here I have noted all the steps we are going to perform today. So first of all, just we need to start the our Hadoop ecosystem. Start all .sh. It will take 10 seconds to start all its daemons. Once we are ready, we'll be ready to go forward. Yeah, starting node, name node, data nodes, secondary name nodes, resource manager, last one node manager. Okay, so now everyone is running. Just check once it is running fine. Next thing we are gonna do, we are gonna create a directory inside our Hadoop file system. Let me just show you my Hadoop file system -ls. This is my Hadoop file system directory. There is only one directory temp and one. This is nothing. Just we have to create one new directory for our problem. So we have created one directory named Python LC. LC is length count. And inside LC, we are going to create one more folder called input. So input and enter. So done. We have created both the folders. So here Python LC is created, and inside Python LC, let me show you Python underscore LC. You can see there is one folder named input. So we are good to go now. The next step is our input file is inside our normal local system, which is input.txt. We need to transfer this file to our Hadoop ecosystem. So we have this command, put command. By using this put command, we can transfer our file from our normal file system to Hadoop file system. Here, give your local part directory as your system. I have highlighted the part you need to change, and as we hit enter, our file got copied inside. I can show you input. Here you can see input.txt. So next step is you need to create a mapper.py and a reducer.py, these two files I can show you. I've created inside my normal file system. So it is in the home from my test folder to length count folder, mapper and reducer. These both codes I have given in this Google Doc, mapper and reducer. So same code, this and this. Let me show you both. These are the both codes. And next thing we are going to do, is execute the command. So I have highlighted the parts where you guys need to give your own locations, or if you have a different version of Hadoop, everything. Execute this command. So copy and here paste and execute. So what this does, this uses that mapper.py and uh, maps every length count and reduces it, aggregates, and gives a total sum of the our length count. Likewise, if we have five words with a two word count length count, then we will get let me show you the output. So you can use this command to view your output. So copy. Actually your output gets created inside the output folder. It automatically creates the output folder. Let me show you. -ls python lc output. When you press enter, you can see two files here, success and part 000. Inside this part 000 file you have your output. So this command, this is cat command, it shows the output, which shows the data inside a file. So here you can see length count 2. There are 5 words with length count 2. We can manually check here, 2 length count 2, 5 words it is showing us. So now in this file which we have uploaded, there is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There is no more 2 words length words, so it is correct. And if you are facing some error like streaming command failure, then try removing your output folder and try it again. Try this command again. Then you can also check your output at this localhost 9870 in utility, browse files. Here you can see your python lc folder that you have created, input folder that you have created. There is your input data. Okay, this input data we have uploaded, and this one is output, which gets created automatically. No need to create it separately. And if you created, then delete it. It will give you a problem or error. So before running this command execute, you shouldn't have the output folder. This command creates the output folder automatically, this command. And here inside part 0000 you can see our output. You can see by this way or by this command also, cat command, both gives you the same output. So this is pretty much it. Actually this mapper.py and reducer.py has the main logic inside them. Mapper, as you can see here, we are using uh, standard input, and then it reads our txt file and it just maps our every word's length. Here we have created a word length. It gives one count to every word length, and in reducer we are reducing it. They get aggregated and they give the total sum of how many total count of their word lengths. We are getting our output. Thank you guys, this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Hit like, subscribe, don't forget to share. Thank you and goodbye. Have a nice day.